Hi, ma'am. Good morning. How are you doing? How is going on your day?
Good morning. I'm doing good. What about your morning? Because your background looks very good.
Thank you. Actually, something is there, so that's why some light get decorated. So that's why you are getting something. So tell
Are you
me about your
celebrating
journey,
your
ma'am.
friend's birthday? Are you celebrating your friend's birthday?
No, 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 no. This kind of thing is not happen. But I like this kind of thing. That's why I get decorated something.
Yeah, it looks so beautiful.
Thank you.
Yes.
So, ma'am, actually we are connecting, I think last time when I connect with you, that time you narrated all thing about your journey on YouTube, and so tell me about your journey on YouTube. How is going on your journey on YouTube?
My journey is very good and I'm doing good on my channel. Every day I'm uploading my videos.
Oh,
Yes.
it's great. So,
Hmm.
ma'am, today I would you like to talk to you some topic. So, are you ready for?
I have a
Okay, okay,
topic procrastination. First, I will narrate a story. Then you will tell me teachings. Okay.
okay, okay, okay.
As you know, we all are aware of this word procrastination when we are delaying some
Mm-hmm,
important work also. That time, in
mm-hmm,
this time, we can use this word procrastinate. It's
mm-hmm.
a very
Yes,
common
absolutely.
tendency. I think it is found in every, person. Yes. So now I'm
Mm-hmm,
going to narrate a story. Once upon a time, there were two
mm-hmm,
creatures. One is ant and second is grasshopper. Grasshopper all time enjoying his summer and he was just jumping one flower to another flower. But on the other
okay.
hand, ant was very laborious. She was collecting food for winters because she was aware in the winter it is very difficult to find out food items.
Mm,
So she also
okay.
advised grasshopper brother, you should also collect some food. Then he was saying, oh, let me enjoy. And I think you should also enjoy this weather. There is no need to hard work. Then after that, she was thinking, okay, it's his choice, but I should collect my food items. After some time, winter starts, and he was suffering. He was, feeling hungry, but he has no food. Then he begged to ant, please give me some food because I am feeling hungry. Then she reminded him, I have already warned you. You should collect some food item because in the winter you are not able to find out even a single particle of food. So you should collect. But you ignored my all advices. Then he realized, yes, ant was correct, and I think I should collect some foods. Then he understand we should always prepare for the future. We should never delaying some important work because if we are delaying some important work, after that we will regret and we will face some hardship.
Mm.
Now you tell me what is the teachings you are getting from this story.
Yeah, actually, you are saying like that because actually we should follow up our time, because right now we have a time, so we should do something. We should think about the future. Future is actually this the moral of this story. You always think about your future. What will you future? What will happen in the future? So still till now you should start think about the future. So if you waste your money, you are buying a lot of things just like anything else. So I think you should save the money. Nobody know about the what will the happen. So the moral of this story, you should save something for your future.
Like sometimes there are some important office work, okay, but some employees
Hmm,
are not doing at the right time, and in the last
hmm,
moment they are doing this work in a very um, they want instant work. After that, they are not giving good results.
hmm. Yes, absolutely right.
Yes,
Hmm, hmm.
that is
Yes.
the reason we should never procrastinate in some matters. We should do our work at the right time.
Yeah, procrastinate just like if you anyone says yeah, right now I'm thinking about I should do something, but other person say "Okay, okay, you should do, I will do sometime." So this is the procrastination. That person is able to do something, but that person is not awareness. It's okay, no problem, I will do tomorrow, yeah, after tomorrow, whenever I get time. So that person is going and that person is doing procrastinate. Procrastinate
Yes,
टाल मटोल करना, just like that.
yes. And after that, they
Hmm.
are just, fearing of the failures.
Hmm. Yes, absolutely right. Yeah.
Hmm.
Just like if you're seeing that the other person they were doing something different, seeing that person he get he get shocked, he get out of the box. What's the name? That slip that was like that.
It's
So
okay.
that's
It's
why
okay.
that person said like that.
Like sometimes in the family, there are some senior citizens also. They always advise you should study on the time, you should play on the time. But sometimes, young children ignore their advice. And in the exam time, they are just, studying and they are just cramming all the
Hmm.
topics. And
Yes,
it
absolutely
creates
right.
a lot of pressure. It creates a lot of pressure on their mind. So I think they should
Hmm.
do their work on the right time.
Yes, yeah, absolutely right. We should accept the value of the time. We should
Mm,
couldn't waste time either and neither. If I get time, I think we should take advantage for that time. Nobody was the know what will in next time you will get chance or not. But do you have a time? So you should take advantage for this time.
in real life, have you ever faced any person who procrastinate these kind of things, like in the
Yeah, a
office
lot of people.
or in college?
Yeah, a lot of people. Because actually, when I start off journey on this beautiful language, that time one of my friend, he was also able to speak very well. I felt like that he could do. I tried to make him understand. कि, okay, you should start. You should have started in this language. He was saying, okay, you should first start, then I will do.
Mhm.
And still he is not doing anything. But sometime he watched my video and something he said, oh, you are doing great job. Yeah, I wish I had do with you. So I had done with you to that time. At this time, I couldn't face anything. So at that, so many people I surrounded your surrounded and my surrounded is available in the life. I get I have got a lot of people. They are doing this kind of thing. They wanted to start something, but unfortunately they couldn't muster some courage. They couldn't gather the courage. That's why they always say, eh, they started procrastinate. Okay, I will do sometime. This time is not suitable for me. I think time is never wait for you. Time
Mm,
time will never come for you. So I think
mm,
we should value main of the thing is that we should value of the time is always get lot of advantage, and time will not wait for time doesn't wait for you. You should follow the time, and if you follow the time, I think it will do better for you, and you can do a lot of things whatever you want. It is the possible you can achieve. But
mm,
you are started procrastinate, so it is not nothing is impossible. You can, I think it's good for nothing. It's good for nothing. You shouldn't do anything. I think
mm,
procrastinate is not good for anyone, not for any women's, not for the woman, anyone, like any person, yeah, anything. Guy, if you procrastinate this thing, so I think this thing is the useless thing, and that time you are wasting your time. We should value of the time. I think first thing is the time. Some if you said time, if you get time, so I think we should do for something for time. And you also motivate someone. You should also do something you can do. Why are you saying like that? Yeah, this is not possible for me. You should take first step. If you take first step, definitely you will reach out and end of the part. So I think this is the thing. And but every person is not available, every person is not doing. Main of the thing is the all finger are not equal. Some people can
mm.
understand your words, some people they doesn't understand your feeling, yeah, anything else. So I think you should try to do your best. Okay, if you convince even a single person, it is the achievement for anyone.
Yes, and if you are, this kind of tendency like procrastinating everything, after some time, you will pay, um, you can say like you will lose so many things in your future, like future opportunities,
Mhm.
if you have this kind
Absolutely
of
right.
habit. Yes,
Yes, absolutely right. Yeah,
I
absolutely
think
right.
we should wrap up this session.